Congress, BJP, Shiv Sena, Sanjay Jha, Sudhanshu Trivedi and Suresh Prabhu. Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party, Sankarshan Thakur, roving editor of the Telegraph. Sanjay, it seems the Congress party is getting very desperate because you know what? You played this whole card with Motka Saudagar in 2007 and it flopped big time, right? Now, unless you are desperate, I don't understand why you bring the Zahar ki kheti remark right now. The only explanation is that the Congress party, worried about getting into double digits, is getting desperate.
The truth, Arnab, if your question is over, the truth is that Mr. Narendra Modi is clearly very rattled by the statement made by Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Congress president.
No, why did she make the
hit the nail on the head. She said something that the entire country actually knows. Because that's the truth.
But it flopped in 2007.
Let me give you one classic example of the blatant lie. No, you don't worry about it. That was also not an approach. It was a statement made in honesty, which Mr. Modi exploited for his own communal
Even
purpose.
Sharad Pawar is ridiculing you now. Sharad Pawar says the 2002 discussion is over. So it's Sharad Pawar also doing Zahar ki kheti.
Well, let me tell you, Mr. Narendra Modi is clearly doing jhoot ki kheti. Let me give you an example. It is the BJP.
No, you didn't answer my question on Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar, is he doing Zahar ki kheti?
I'm answering your question. I have already answered that. I'm answering your question if you give me just around 30 seconds. The Babri Masjid, which the destruction of which in 1992 has led to the most perhaps irreparable damage to our secular credentials, was done by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And Mr. Modi has the temerity, the audacity to lie, not just to the people in Meerut, but to the people of India, Arnab, that we will make Uttar Pradesh, riot-free. He is near Muzaffarnagar, and he does not make a single statement on the riots that happened, on the children who died, and on the BJP's MLAs who were felicitated by his own party, where he came and spoke.
Opening up from the Sudhanshu Trivedi.
This is the lie of this man.
It's a reality, he says. It's a reality, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sanjay Jha says it's a reality. It's not escapism. We're not being politically desperate. We're just reminding the BJP of the reality.
Absolutely.
Arnav, you was asking why Sonia Gandhi has raked up the issue. The situation is quite clear. Because in the recently concluding Vidhan Sabha election, in which the communalism was not at all an issue. The issue was development, corruption and price rise. And everybody has seen where we were standing and where Congress was standing. So now Congress is having no other option except to polarize the polity of the country so that they can fetch some dividends out of that. And it is unfortunate that now the topmost leadership of the Congress party is indulging into this type of gimmicks.
No, I don't understand. Two of your MLAs in Muzaffarnagar, Sangeet Som and Suresh Rana, stand accused of making inflammatory speeches, inciting mobs and uploading fake videos. They are released on bail. You honor them ahead of a rally attended by Narendra Modi.
I will answer.
What was that Shanti ki
kheti? The two MLAs were not
facilitated
for being indicted into. The two MLAs were facilitated. Why? Because there was an NSA imposed on them when the state government and the central government was unable to prove with the court of the law.
I'm sorry.
So
I'm sorry, that's rubbish. These people were accused of making inflammatory speeches. But that is not correct. Of making inflammatory speeches, inciting mobs, uploading fake videos. I'm asking you today, Shanti ki kheti kar rahe the? What are you doing Shanti ki kheti? Please answer my question. We're seeing some of our other panelists also join in. I think it's Gaurav Bhatia, yes. I think it's Gaurav Bhatia. Can we have him on the screen, please, quickly?
Yes. Needs to get the facts right. Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi just needs to have the facts right. Both the MLAs who were felicitated in the rally where Mr. Narendra Modi was to address the crowd have been actually named in the FIR, and investigations are on, and they are accused. And so there is no question of saying that, because the NSA was not invoked and they were cleared by the advisory board, there was no case pending against them. In fact, case of very serious nature where they were charged of promoting enmity between various sections, those 153A and all these were pending.
So
it is not
Gaurav
correct to
Bhatia,
say that,
so Gaurav Bhatia, are you of the
they
view?
were
Gaurav Bhatia,
given
are
a
you of the
clear
view?
chit?
Therefore, my
Secondly-
question to you, Gaurav Bhatia, is what you're saying is
not appropriate
what-
to ask, but I would like to ask Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, can he name any other MLA of any other community who has been booked? Why
Yes.
only one community is targeted by your government? And even in the relief
Yes,
camp, it is targeted
BSP,
by communal
I'm-
angle. Even for the first
Mr.
time, the
Kadir
Home Ministry of
Rana,
this government is
Mr. Kadir
issuing the
Rana,
victims
Mr.
list by
Kadir Rana
religion.
from BSP, Salim Noor Rana from BSP, and then ex-minister
I'm
of
talking about
Congress, and they
National
are
Security
leaders
Act.
from all political parties against whom action has been taken. But no other party has been felicitating
I'm
the
talking
accused
about
persons
NSA.
except the BJP
Has you imposed
because
National Security
they
Act?
want politics of hatred and communal.
And what do you want? What do you want?
NSA is
What
NS
do you
Yes.
Gaurav Bhatia, my point
we
tonight
want
is
peace and harmony.
my
We
point
don't-
tonight is,
we
and
don't-
I say
we
this,
don't want-
I say this with the utmost responsibility,
Yes.
that all the political parties represented on the program today, each and every one of them, is trying to polarize the general election of 2014, including your party, the Samajwadi Party, Gaurav. Because I'm sorry to say this, I think you're being completely hypocritical if you say
Absolutely not, Arnab.
is it true or not?
Arnab.
Is it true or not, Gaurav? Is it
No,
true or
Arnab.
not? Allow me to complete. Is it true or not, Gaurav Bhatia, that you have
Yes.
been soft on people who are accused of making the most inflammatory speeches in Muzaffarnagar? What right do you have to ask the other side? I have a right to ask the BJP. What right do you have?
I will answer that.
When you have been,
Arnab, I will
when
answer
you have
that.
been protecting
I will.
accused
I
people
will
accused of
answer
making
your question,
inflammatory
Arnab.
speeches in Muzaffarnagar, आप भी तो जहर की खेती करते हैं. By that definition,
Arnab, can I answer that?
please.
I will like to answer that. Arnab.
Yeah, go ahead.
It is not correct to say that we have been soft on anybody. In
Of course
fact,
you
I
have
will
been.
tell you that
You have
all
been.
the
You have
arrests
been.
that have been made,
You have been.
or religion or caste, no. I will. If you want, I can place all the material that I
will
know
place
about,
material
and
for you.
people from cross section
I will
of
place
society and
no.
religion have been.
I will place better data
I'm
for you,
sorry?
and the data is this: is it true or not that
Yes.
the Samajwadi Party, as early as last month, wrote a letter to the
Please.
Muzaffarnagar district
Yes.
magistrate with a subject line as quote, and the subject was quote, withdrawal of allegations. Withdrawal of allegations, unquote, inquiring into hate speeches cases against
Yes.
BSP
Now-
leaders
now
Qadir
let me answer
Rana,
that.
Noor Salim
Arnab,
Rana,
you know
Maulana
this
Jameel,
letter
and the
that you are
Congress
referring
party
to-
Syed Ud Zaman. So on the one side, the BJP stands accused of
Please
sowing
listen
seeds
to
of
me.
poison.
Please.
But you too,
No, Arnab,
you too, I've just proven it. I have just given you a case study.
Arnab, now can I respond?
Yes, please.
Yes, I will tell you
Factually.
now. The letter that you are referring to, the investigation is on at this stage, and there cannot be any withdrawal of case at the stage of investigation itself. This letter which you are referring to was written by a low-ranking officer, and on that,
Have you sacked the low-ranking officer?
A civil servant
Have
has
you sacked the
commented
low-ranking
that
officer?
State has no
Have you sacked
intention
this man?
of withdrawing.
Have you sacked the
withdrawing
low-ranking
case.
officer who has
Yes.
by doing so? Have you sacked him?
What?
Have you sacked him? I'll
Action
check
is-
it out. Have you sacked him?
Yes.
You
the
have.
action.
You have or haven't?
Action is being taken against
Action
the
is
person.
being taken.
Arnab,
He's
but
written the
please-
letter. You just
please
you're
understand
you're
the
doing a
point I'm trying
backflip.
to make.
You're
That
doing a backflip.
You cannot. The state government has made it stand clear that we will not withdraw any cases.
Gaurav,
it is to the
now
IO to decide
Now-
whether there is sufficient material or not. That stand of the state is clear now. So I think it would be unfair for you
I'll
to
tell
say
you, I'll
that
tell
we are
you.
trying to appease
I'll tell
any
you
sect or community. That is not correct.
all political parties,
Yeah.
I said. My point here is the Congress party has no right to take the high moral ground given the fact that it was too careful not even to talk about the Gujarat riots in the last Gujarat elections. The Congress party was scared to raise the issue of riots and justice to riot victims in the last state elections. What right does that party have to talk now about Zahir ki Kheti? My question to the Shiv Sena also, sir, is part of the polarization, isn't it? That's your own
Arnab, I
selfish
would like to
agenda,
respond
Mr.
to
Prabhu. Mr. Prabhu, did your party not term the Gujarat government's initial nod for seeking a death penalty for Mayaben Kodnani, quote unquote, a deadly attack on Hindus? You called it a deadly attack on
Basically,
Hindus.
You know, this is one.
No, did you or did you
Yeah,
not?
but let us look at it facts properly.
No,
What is whenever we
about what
accuse
I said?
Narendra Modi of
What is improper?
I'll just tell you what is important is so now you started a discussion on a very important issue that Narendra Modi is all the time attacked on an issue that he is the one who is actually is responsible for the communal rights in Gujarat. Why? Because you are the Chief Minister of Gujarat. So it's a very strange logic. Now if the riot takes place in
Because he
Uttar
is.
Pradesh, the Chief Minister is not responsible. The ruling party is not responsible. Who is responsible? BJP. The riots take place in Delhi, Sikh riots, the central government directly responsible for law and order. The Prime Minister saying it happened because the big tree falls, everything will shake. He is not responsible. But Narendra Modi is responsible in UP, where they are in a small opposition, and even now all the parties are saying, where is BJP? If BJP is non-existent, where is the question? Now one question. The second point is, and the most important point is, who is constantly raking up issues of communal rights, reminding people, don't forget 1990, don't forget 2002, remember it, don't forget that. Who is doing all this? If at all somebody is concerned about the plight of Muslims, plight of some people, what is the best way to do it? Allow the wound to heal, allow the people to move on. But what is that we are doing? Don't forget, please don't forget. I want to remind you.
So
constantly.
why is
Who
the
more
RSS
communal?
the right
People
hand
who
of
are trying to
BJP
remind you all the
distributing
time of
pamphlets in
doing this
Muzaffarnagar?
or something. If at all, if somebody is really interested,
Yes,
what
Gaurav.
the person would have done? He would have said, sorry, all this happened, let
Yes,
us
Gaurav.
bring the society together.
Why
How the society
is
can be
the
brought together?
BJP,
By taking
why
up
is the
economic issues,
RSS the
development
right
issues?
hand of
This is what Narendra Modi
BJP
is talking about,
distributing
and we are
pamphlets in
still trying to take
Muzaffarnagar?
people back.
As a
Who is the
responsible
responsible for all
party,
this?
should they be doing that? I am asking you a question. Please reply to that. Why is the RSS,
Yeah.
which is the right hand
What is-
of BJP, distributing pamphlets in Muzaffarnagar when the state government is trying to restore normalcy over there, when the state government is trying that all peace efforts should be made? Is this responsible part of the BJP and the RSS? And also, I would say, not just that, look at the events, 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra, out of the blues when it was never held during that time of the year. Wherever Mr. Amit Shah goes, there are riots. Be it Gujarat, he was sent to UP to orchestrate a riot. And that is what he was successful in doing.
No, are we trying to say that in
So I
India...
think BJP has to do a lot of answering. Should we? Should
No,
we?
don't
should
talk
we delete the
theoretically.
word
Don't talk.
secular
Don't
from
talk.
the
Don't talk
Constitution?
theoretically. I am asking Sudhanshu Trivedi tonight.
I'm giving
Sudhanshu
specific
Trivedi. 1 minute.
examples.
Yogi Adityanath. Narendra Modi was in Gorakhpur. He didn't talk about Yogi Adityanath. Yogi Adityanath. Is it true or not that he's a
Gorakhpur.
BJP? Is he true or not he's a BJP MP from Gorakhpur? Is he a BJP MP from Gorakhpur?
Yes, he is a BJP MP.
Okay.
He is
Now,
having
has he got a history of making the most communal comments or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
There are
Yes
cases
or
whatever
no?
is
Yes or
happened
no?
and whatever was
Yes
said
or
by
no?
Yogi
Yes or no?
Adityanath.
Is
Anything
he a
can be
is he a
only with a
communal
specific
person or not?
context. And if you would like,
Is he a communal
yes or
person
no,
or
then
not?
I
Yes
will
or
ask.
no?
The Congress Party's alliance partner was MIM.
I'll
Mr.
ask
Akbaruddin
the
Owaisi,
Congress
what he
party.
has said.
No, I'll ask the Congress party.
It was your partner.
I'll ask them. No, I'll ask them. You answer me.
Then
You-
Mr.
No, but why don't you first answer for
Then
BJP?
Digvijay Singh is saying
okay,
this
now,
type
now,
of
now,
words,
Sudhanshu
Osama
Trivedi.
ji
Sudhanshu
and Baba
Trivedi.
Ramdev were thugs.
Sudhanshu
Had he said
Trivedi.
like that or not?
Sudhanshu Trivedi, he said, I am told, reported
Yogi
in a
Adityanath
magazine.
is just a member of parliament and Digvijay Singh is senior most general
Sudhanshu
secretary,
Trivedi,
considering
you
very
get so
close to
irritated.
vice president. He's
Sudhanshu
saying this type
Trivedi.
of rubbish thing that 26
Sudhanshu,
is an
what is
arbitrary
rubbish?
Just a
constituency.
member of parliament, I think it is the highest post that a person can reach up to.
One
Member
second,
of
Gaurav.
parliament is a very respectable post for any party, and you are saying he's just a member of parliament.
Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute. Yogi Adityanath. Sankarshan, I'll come to you after this because I feel somewhere our BJP representative tonight is feeling very nervous about what I am going to read about Yogi Adityanath. This is what he says. On the 29th of December, as reported in an open magazine, in the Balrampur village at a rally that was also attended by activists of the Hindu Yuva Vahini. Hindu Yuva Vahini. Does it have links with the Sangha Parivar? Does it or does it not? Mr. Trivedi?
No, Hua Bahini does not have any link with Sangh Parivar.
It's okay. So this man independent, but Yogi Adityanath?
It is an organization headed by Yogi Adityanath.
Oh, okay. Now you know
Yes,
what
Yogi
Yogi
Adityanath
Adityanath
is
says.
heading the
Yogi
Hindu
Adityanath
Bahini.
says this. Muslims consider terrorists their protectors. Reportedly, he says this. Muslims consider terrorists their protectors. Hindus must unite and remain alert of Muslims wherever they live and confront them if the situation demands. Now you tell me. What have you done after he said this? What have you done?
If you are saying
No, I'm not.
whatever you are
what's-
saying is correct,
If you are saying
then
I'm quoting
I think
him,
you should
I'm
ask
quoting
Mr.
him.
Gaurav
What
Bhatia whose
I'm
government
quoting
is
it,
there.
sir. ये जहर की राजनीति नहीं है. Isn't this sowing the seeds of poison?
I accept Arnav. If it
Then
is
throw him
true,
out.
then you should ask Gaurav Bhatia what his government has
Arre,
done.
I'm asking you. You throw him out.
Why they have not taken any action?
You throw him out from your party. Set an example.
No, why they, if
Set an
the
example.
proof comes, then we will say something.
What
why
comes?
the government has not taken any action?
Oh, why government has not taken? Why have the government not taken a?
Why the government has not taken any
Against
action?
whom?
This is political football against Yogi
Against whom,
Adityanath.
Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi? Against whom?
He says against Yogi Adityanath.
I think you were being
if
asked
it is
questions and you were
true,
supposed to
then the
reply.
state government should have taken
you
a
want to
cognizance
discuss Samajwadi
and should have
Party because
initiated
you're
an
upset,
action,
I don't
and
have
we
a
should have
problem.
responded accordingly.